Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to explain how to enable pairing mode on your motorcycle intercom. I'm recording this tutorial using the EJEAS V6 Pro, but it will work for the vast majority of intercoms out there, since the process is very similar on almost all devices. First, I recommend making sure your intercom has enough battery. To protect the battery life, I always suggest charging it using a computer's USB port instead of a fast wall charger. Once it's charged, look for the power button on mine. It's the one with the rider icon. Press and hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds until it turns on, showing a blue or red LED light. After it turns on, press and hold that same power button again for about 5 to 7 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the LED light flashing quickly between red and blue. This flashing light means that pairing mode is successfully activated. Now, if you want to connect it to your cell phone, simply go to your phone's Bluetooth settings. Look under the available devices list, select your intercom, and pair them up. If you want to connect it to another intercom, just follow the exact same process. Activate pairing mode on both intercoms at the exact same time. Once both are flashing, they will automatically recognize each other and link up. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.